rightly said, in Maharashtra there is a three-tier structure. At the apex level, the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank. At the middle tier is all DCC banks. We have 31 district central cooperative banks. And we do have primary agriculture credit societies whom we call PACs. And there are 21,000. Around 5,000 are not potentially viable. So we can say that there are 16,000 potentially viable PACs, which is forming the integral part of rural cooperative credit structure in Maharashtra. And it's very vibrant. And as far as branch networking is concerned, for example, we have 31 DCC banks, but they have more than 3,200 rural branches across the state. And these 16,000 viable, potentially viable primary agriculture credit societies, they are linked up with all those 3,300 rural branches of all district central cooperative banks. And in a way, they are also connected to Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank because we have a refinancing system. All primary agriculture credit societies have their members, they are farmers, they are cane growers, they are agriculture producers. They are the members and they are taking the finances from the primary agriculture credit society. Now, as we talk about the technology, there is lot of scope for this technology because we are far away from we have been talking since morning. This is all urban area and metropolis. But as far as rural area is concerned, we really have plenty of scope as far as these PACs are concerned because we do envisage that there should be a common software which definitely will attach all those 21,000 primary agriculture credit societies to DCC banks and a state cooperative bank so that we can have a MIS and all data inputs, outputs, everything we will have in the system in place. And still we are lagging behind and therefore definitely, sir, we definitely have a scope and there are service providers here. As far as Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank is concerned, we are on CBS, but we also are looking forward for giving for DR site for host. We also, as we have been also talking about upgradation of CBS, so we as a Apex Bank also we are envisaging for upgradation of CBS and having certain products. Therefore, I am very enlightened as far as this Maharashtra Cooperative Summit is concerned. There are very good service providers here. And Elites have done a wonderful job. We will definitely be in touch with you all, you guys here. And surely, right from state apex level to the PACs level, definitely we can work together and there is a lot of scope.